Good evening, my fellow ka-BA. I chose this quote, "Done is better than perfect." This quote really speaks to me because it reminds me that no matter how hard it gets to reach my dreams, what's important is to keep moving forward and take action, even if things aren't perfect yet. Just to share a little bit about myself, I'm not a CPA, but that was always been one of my dreams. I graduated with a degree in business administration, major in marketing. And I worked as a bookkeeper for 17 years in a trading company. Right now, I'm an accounts payable specialist in a manufacturing company where I've been working for 11 years and counting. Now that I'm pursuing a new career as a U.S. tax preparer, there are moments when I feel overwhelmed, confused, or sometimes I procrastinate because of self-doubt or my introverted personality. And during those times, this quote becomes my mantra, a reminder to keep going, take small steps, and just get things done. So with that, here's my presentation. Done is better than perfect by Anne Mulligan Smith.
Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation.
But it was popularized by Sheryl Sandberg in her book in the year 2010. Perfection, a word we often admire. It speaks of excellence, of flawless results, complete and extraordinary. But too often, the pursuit of perfection becomes the enemy of progress. We wait, we hesitate, we overthink, all because we want things to be perfect. But let me tell you the truth. Perfection never arrives. There will always be something to fix, something to improve, something not quite good enough. And while we wait for the perfect moment, opportunities slips away, ideas fade, and dreams remain undone. The world's greatest achievements were not born perfect. The first airplane barely flew. The first computer filled the entire room. And the first light bulb failed 1,000 times before it shows. Yet, their creator moved forward, not waiting, but striving for progress. Done is better than perfect because it means you tried. That means you learned. And that means you made something real. Perfection demands to wait. Progress asks only that we begin. So let us act even if it's not perfect. Let us finish even if it's not flawless. Because every complicated steps, no matter how small, brings us closer to success than a lifetime of waiting ever will. In the end, it's not perfection that changes the world, but action. So don't be afraid to start. Don't be afraid to finish. Because sometimes, done is not just better than perfect. It is the only way forward. Thank you.